So, before you get scared or put down your cup, let me tell you two important things. Number one, there's no proof that coffee causes cancer. This ruling is about language in a labeling law. Secondly, the so-called independent research group that made this claim uses the same address and phone number as the lawyer that brought the case, the same firm that said potato chips, bread, and French fries may cause cancer. Yet, yesterday's ruling says consumers must be warned that coffee, like pumping gas and eating salmon, could be hazardous to your health.
I'm not surprised, but it's like one of those things, once everything's dangerous, like nothing is dangerous.
So many people drink so much coffee that I feel like, does it really even matter at this point? I mean, it's like, you know, everything is kind of a carcinogen these days.
So here's the backstory. Prop 65 requires warning labels on products that contain dangerous chemicals, including acrylamide, a chemical used in dye and certain cooked foods. Now, using Prop 65, lawyers have sued companies that sell these products like McDonald's and Starbucks. So far, businesses have paid out $285 million to settle these cases. 67% of the money went to lawyers. Now, the American Cancer Society did find acrylamide increases the risk of cancer in rats in doses up to 10,000 times higher in levels consumed by people. So, cancer warning labels on coffee would be misleading, says the National Coffee Association. The U.S. government's own dietary guidelines state that coffee can be healthy, and the World Health Organization said that coffee does not cause cancer. So, supporters, Sandra, say that Prop 65 doesn't tell you what to do, it simply gives you more information. Now, unless this is overturned, consumers nationwide could see this label because companies can't afford their products to be shipped to California with this warning, so you too could pay more for your coffee because of California.